Right. Thanks, everybody. I just want to quickly note that the presentations and the recording will be uploaded on our healthcare provider portal. And the QR codes are at the back of the GMAG. Please also use the QR code for the survey to give us feedback on the day and the event. But yes, that's flighted now. But yeah, as we end the day, we just want to extend our gratitude to every single one of you for spending your Saturday with us. I think it's been a highly productive and engaging day. And it doesn't end here, so we look forward to a continued positive and fruitful relationship with all of you, where our members and patients are at the center of everything that we do. I just want to quickly give a thank you to the venue, the scheme employees, all the SPNs, and as well as the audio and visual team for making today a success. I know a lot went into it, but to all our providers, it's really been an honor and a privilege to host you today. So please drive safe and have a good weekend. Thank you.